I haven't been able to not.
So, is everybody here?
I hope so.
I've never let's say a prayer before we head out, and then we'll rock and roll.
Yeah.
We'll wait for Armando.
Wait, get that thing out.
What's up, brother?
That's all I got. Some chocolate, some grapefruit juice. I'm ready to go. We're sleeping.
Aren't you gonna starve?
No, I have a whole bunch of stuff.
Oh, we got watermelon.
Yeah. Oh, I was like,
I would be amazed. I wonder if I was.
Uh-oh. I wasn't.
What?
Oh. Are they back?
it did get really hot actually.
It's really weird because as soon as you don't, have your mouth to it,
like a blanket or anything?
I got a little
I have an emergency blanket.
You guys brought the watermelon like from Frostburg.
I planned on, yeah.
She was pouring dirt on it, like sand.
What? Wow.
Thanks for purchasing.
You're like, don't get on the watermelon, please.
She's hiding the evidence of the
I
body.
understand you just cut yourself, but don't ruin it for everybody.
It is the first night I am here in my hammock. Kind of in my sleeping bag. I don't know, but I'm rocking around. And I'm actually really cozy, so let's go. Good night. I'll see you guys in the morning.
He's a good dog, though. You just.
Was great that time. Going to find a pee spot. We're getting ready to head on out. We're basically packed up here, but I mean, it's just a beautiful area. Really, really pretty. We're off. How you feeling, Bubba?
Feeling great.
He's feeling like a spry guy. There you go.
I don't know where that set is.
Yeah,
Maybe my dad has it in storage.
I have a junior set somewhere, but they're just short.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watch it roll down there.
What's up, brother? I was looking at your socks. Wow.
A mile and a half. He's been a mile and a half straight downhill.
This is pretty.
It's rock. What?
I feel so light.
I think you could just jump to the moon with a backpack on.
So we set our packs down at a place that we thought we were going to camp, and then we went further and found a much better spot. So ran back up and got our packs. Now we're heading down the hill here. This is much better. It's like right on the water. Much better location. I mean, look at this. Ah, so pretty. See if I can not die here. Hello. Uh-oh. Alright, we're good. Nice little area right here. Beautiful. Trying to find some wood to gather up here. Everything's wet here. It's just rained pretty good. We're at the junction of Judy Springs Trail and Seneca Creek Trail. It's pretty cool here, actually. Wood here with this little hatchet. So we're trying to take it down. Just keep hitting it. Armando's a little beaver.
Nope.
Oh, it's definitely moving.
One, two.
Like little beavers. Dang, we gotta do a lot of that.
Bro, that's too much. I think you cut like 90% of that. And I just got tired.
There she goes.
Where's that?
You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody's got to do
You having fun, Carl?
Oh, yeah.
Caleb?
What?
Having fun?
Oh, no.
Hannah?
Video.
You're not having fun?
No, I'm having a blast.
Oh. Caleb, Bethany,
I'm having a great time. Oh,
Angelina?
sure.
We're having a great day.
It tastes like the macaroni casseroles that you buy at the store that
Who?
are frozen. Not if they're
Who's she talking to?
I don't know.
It's dry, but it's very cheesy. You want to use my little countertop?
He examines it.
Whoa.
So. Say hi, everyone.
No.
Angelina.
Heard shield one time after I killed
but
the
I don't. If I saw it, I might know what it is.
Not my fault. He was
I
flying so
definitely
low
have
on the
heard
highway.
the name.
It's quite traumatizing.
It is the third morning and I am ready to go home. I slept really good last night though. But I had to wake up at 6 o'clock because, well, I didn't have to, but I did wake up at 6 o'clock because I had to pee so bad. And I was like, oh, I do not want to leave this warm sleeping bag, but it is what it is. So we'll be getting ready to hike out. Got to help everybody else pack up. We'll be on the trail. We got about 7 miles straight up. So that's going to be fun. Moving out Sunday morning.
Yeah, isn't New Year's this weekend gone way too fast?
It's flown by.
No. I don't want to go to work.
Oh, watch out.
Whoa.
Watch out. Watch out. Just a wee bit tired. Waiting on them to see if they want to take this trail up here. It's a whole lot steeper, but it does connect. So I'll see if they want to take it, but I kind of do because I mean I'm tired. And it is shorter, but it's a lot steeper. So I guess we'll see.
Typically just heart rate's high, that's it.
With deadlift?
Huh?
You say with deadlift?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't get out of breath with that.
What? Poor Hannah. Every time she catches us, we just leave.
Well, we can take a break. We're not doing a race.
It's a marathon.
Feels like
We'll just take a rest. If they want to go ahead, you guys can. I'll wait. I know where I'm going.
keep going up. I feel like it flattens out at some point.
Huh? No, I'm fine. I'm just, if they want to rest, I'll wait for them.
On my way to heaven.
Honestly, we're all hiking together.
Yeah. It's so pretty here. Grab me water.
Thanks.
I kind of wanna just hike out and see old Gabby.
Gabby?
Yeah, Gavin.
He'll be there. He rode with me.
Unless, dude, I literally had that thought. I was like, your dad gets there, he's like, well, let's just leave Caleb. He'll find a ride.
He could.
I could see it.
I got.
No, I haven't seen Mark in a while. I saw him back there.
There's gravel.
There's gravel.
We're close.
7 out of 10.
Overall or just today?
Overall.
All right, Caleb, what did you rate it?
Oh, the whole trip?
The whole trip.
Oh, it's a 9 out of 10.
9.
Just the last stretch dropped it by 1.
the whole trip.
Couldn't toe, my hips hurt and my knees hurt.
Give it a rating, 1 out of 10.
10.
10.
I liked it a lot.
All right, Alex, what about you? Show your injury.
Injury.
Yeah, your injury.
A little cut.
just a little bit. What do you rate it? The whole
the
trip.
cut or the trip?
The trip, not the cut.
I'll give it a 9.5.
9.5. All right, Caleb, what do you give it?
Oh, this is a 10.
Oh,
This is
okay.
a 10.
Okay, I think Armando's the lowest at it, like a 7. Angelina,
He's a
what do you rate
realist.
it?
He's a realist.
9.75.
Whoa! All right, Hannah, what do you rate? What do you rate the trip?
8.
Solid 8.
8.
She was stern about that too.
I think overall, I think it was like a 8.5. You know,
Pretty even.
What does
it take to get to a 10?
for me, 8.5 is high. Yeah, there we go. Staying at home and eating. That's a 10.
I enjoyed it.
Trip.
He's a 2.
What do you think? 0 out of 10.
It's probably a 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, I gave it a higher rating than Carl.
Man.
Rating 1 out of 10 for the whole trip.
For me, it was a 7.
7? Oh, I gave a higher. Whoa. That's